Welcome to this new tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your domains to your funnels and how to do it the right way so you don't get that 404 error that everybody complains about. Okay, so we've created the funnel and we do the funnel first before we connect the domain. We don't do it backwards because if we do it backwards, then we're going to have to delete the domain and then do it again. That's the trick. So you never get the 404 error. You're welcome. Let's get started. I already have here a new funnel I'm going to connect a domain with. And of course, it took me to the whole funnels list because I accidentally clicked on it. I just click here on the recent button so I can go back to it. It's currently in draft because I cannot publish it until I add a domain. How are we going to add a domain? We're going to go to the domain section. Now, how do we do this? This is the name of the funnel. We're going to remember the name of the funnel. We're going to go here at the bottom where it says settings on the left hand menu. We're going to click on settings. Then we're going to go scroll down until we find where it says domains. Okay, clicking on the domains. Now that we've clicked on the domains, we're going to make sure that we have our domain software open. Mine, I use Namecheap. So I'm going to see what domain I'm going to use. And for this particular funnel, I'm going to use a subdomain. Okay, so I've selected the domain. And in this case, I'm using irresistibleevents.co. We're going to click on manage. So we're ready to add the DNS. Okay, so we're going to go back here to the high-level domains. And if you see, I already have irresistibleevents.co here. So we're not going to use that. We're going to create a subdomain. We're going to click here on connect domain. We're going to input our domain. So it's going to be eve.irresistibleevents.co. EVE is for emergency virtual events list. And then I click on continue. Now it's going to ask me connect your domain or subdomain. It's going to say here continue. And you can either add the record manually or click on continue. I'm going to add the record manually. So I'm going to click on here. This record is a CNAME. So we're going to go to the advanced DNS and we're going to add a record for CNAME. CNAME. And then we're going to paste here. Oh, no, sorry, here. And then we're going to click on required value, which would be here. Since I already have this here, I don't need to do anything else. I won't have to add the A record. We're going to click here on save. And we're going to go to verify records. Okay, and there was a problem. We're just going to give it 30 seconds because it might take a little moment. So we're going to go make sure it's correct. Yep, it's all correct. So we're just going to wait a few minutes and then try again. Okay, we're going to try again. Okay, now that it's been added successfully, then we select our type of funnel that we're going to connect it with. So we're going to connect it either with a funnel, a website, a store, or a blog. So this is why we create first the funnel, the website, the store, or the blog, and then we connect the domain. So we're going to link the domain with the funnel. In this case, it's going to be this one, Emergency Virtual Kits. And I'm going to select the page it's selected. It should connect to the main page, home. And we can have additional options. So in case there's a 404 error, you can create something cute to say, oh no, you missed it or whatever. Okay, so we're going to proceed to finish. Okay, now we click on the three little dots here. And then we do XML Sitemap. Yes, we have to do this. So we're going to click here and then we're going to proceed. And then we're going to generate and save. If we don't do this, we're going to get a 404 error. I'm going to check again to make sure it was selected. Yes, it was. Okay. Going to refresh. And we're going to go back to our site. Okay, we're going to check. Go to recent. If you can't find it fast. And now it's here connected. How do I know that it works? We're going to go here to view page. And ta-da! The domain has been connected correctly to the funnel. And of course I have a problem here because I have the button twice. I don't have no idea why, but I'm going to go check. And that's how you connect a domain to your site, funnel, website, blog, or store inside of High Level 2025. If you have any questions, you can make the comments below, of course. If you've made the decision of getting high level, there in the comments we have my affiliate link. Disclaimer, this affiliate link will give me a commission and it's not going to affect you at all, and this helps support the channel. So I'll see you in the next one. You know what to do. Comment and share if this was of value, and obviously subscribe to this channel. Make sure you tell me in the comments what other tutorials you want me to do so I can show you the new features of High Level in 2025. I'll see you in the next one. God bless you. Bye-bye.